You can in fact get the perfect crust on your steak with only butter, without burning the butter. First you melt a knob of raw butter straight out the cow's titties. When it's melted you can see the white protein, and as it goes above 100 degrees Celsius when all the water evaporates, then it will start browning. First it's a little blonde, and as you mix very homogeneously it will brown. Once it is browned very homogeneously, the temperature is above 130 degrees Celsius, which is a great time to put your steak. But from this moment you remain on medium heat. You will want to stir the pot around like this to homogenize the temperature of the butter. If you don't do this, you might get some burnt butter on the sides of the pan. It is of utmost importance to make sure the temperature of the butter is very homogeneous. After some point you will see it will start to be non-stick, and then if you are afraid you can even do this clockwise method. This way you make sure to rub the fat all over the place so it's homogenized everywhere. You will never brown your butter on medium heat if you mix it like this all the fucking time. And then when you flip it around, check this out. It is browned as fuck. In fact, maybe the best browning you've ever seen in your whole life. To achieve this result, you might want to start with the meat straight out of the fridge, and once you place it onto the pan you don't fucking touch it until it starts going non-stick. Then you do the same shit for the other side, and you can then let it rest on the side. If your meat was straight out the fridge, it should take 2 to 3 minutes on the first side without touching it. First you just shake the pan so that you make sure the temperature is spread very homogeneously, and after 2 to 3 minutes it will unstick by itself. And from this moment you can do the clockwise shit. Now you might ponder why the fuck would you ever want to cook on only butter since you risk burning. It is because you want to consume cholesterol to produce some high testosterone while you're sleeping. But cholesterol damages above 150 degrees Celsius, which is conveniently also the temperature where butter burns at 155. Therefore a good way to see if you've damaged your cholesterol or not is to see if you've burnt your butter or not. So if you can see you haven't burned your butter, you also know you haven't damaged your cholesterol, which is very high testosterone.